Hey, it's TR back with another RV how-to video, and today I'm going to show you how I built these wall sconces for $42. Tapes and bases. This is a fence picket, cedar, and these new LED, they're LED reading lights, but I'm going to mount them on the wall in the RV, but the issue is the holes are just a little bit too big and I actually want to take them up. So I'm going to build a little mount here out of this, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take like 6 inches, two pieces of this 6 inches long, stand them up, round the corners off, then mount this light to them, and then mount this to the wall. So I'm just going to build some mounts for it. This piece of wood cost me $1.80, something like that. It wasn't very expensive. So good with the paint that I used, and what we got here between flaws. 8. Okay, I'm actually going to make two pieces 8 inches long. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to and then I want to cut around this flaw and get another inch piece in here. Close enough for government work. This is 120 grit, by the way. All right. Use a little urethane here. Okay, so I don't want to take a chance that I'm going to split this board. The countersink drill I used was pretty small, and these screws are a little bigger than that, so I'm going to go ahead and just drill them out a little more. Just make the holes a tiny bit bigger. Alright, so there is another modification I'm going to have to make, and I'm going to have to cut a slot in the back of this for the wires, okay? But I'm just going to take my utility knife and carefully come in here and just plow out a slot. Alrighty. Alright, come out of there.
Oh, and the wires are short. Way short, way shorter than they need to be. I'm gonna have to fix this one. Okay, well, let's see here. Maybe I could just pop this open. Right here. Is it this side or this side? Where's the snap? There it is. Might be getting it. Oh, went too far, didn't I? That's just as well. Masher, I need a masher. This will work. Feels like it's in there, but let's give it another push. Push this back up. Awesome. Should strip that while it's out here. Doesn't need to be much. Well, could be more than that. Let's go down a gauge. Get in there. That's more like it. Well, I gotta strip these down a little better. Now, what we need to do is, in this particular case, black goes to white. Set that right there. We're just gonna twist these together. Best you can. Set right there. Awesome. One down, one to go. Alright, that ain't going nowhere. Now I'm just going to eyeball this. Perfect. Right there. Alright. Now we're cooking with gas. There. So let's check out the finished product. Am I recording? I am. Cool. I think they turned out good. Yeah, I really do. See, get the shine out of them for a minute so you can kind of see how they look on the wall. Yeah, I like them. I think they turned out really good. So this project grew out of my other projects that I'm working on right now with RV how-to videos to come, either already on my channel or they will be. There'll be links below in the description. Well, there you have it. Pretty simple and easy project. The lumber costs $1.12, and there's probably 2 cents worth of polyurethane. These lights I got on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you want to pick these lights up or anything else from my Amazon store, that really helps support the channel. And remember, as an Amazon affiliate, you're supporting me by the small commission Amazon pays me for what you purchase through my store or one of my links. It costs you exactly the same amount of money, but I get a little bit of commission for it. for you using my store, and that really helps support the channel. In fact, I think I'll be able to buy a new action camera, another GoPro here real soon. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure and ring that notification icon so you're notified when new content goes up. If you have questions or comments, please make them below. Those comments are really valuable as well, because it lets YouTube know that people are watching my video, and it starts to rank them up a little bit so more people get to see them. So I do greatly appreciate it when you comment. But for now, it's time to go. Thanks for watching, I do appreciate it. Until we get together for another RV how-to video, peace.